In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Payoneer account to Printify, an essential step if you're planning to streamline your e-commerce operations. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's start with the basics. Why would you want to connect Payoneer to Printify in the first place? Well, Payoneer is a fantastic payment platform that allows you to send and receive money globally, while Printify is a popular print-on-demand service. When you connect these two, you can efficiently manage your finances for all your online sales, making it easier to handle your earnings from orders fulfilled through Printify. First off, if you don't have a Payoneer account yet, you'll need to sign up for one. Simply head over to the Payoneer website, click on the Sign Up button, and fill in your details. After you've submitted your application, Payoneer will guide you through the verification process. Now that you have your Payoneer account, the next step is to log into your Printify account. If you don't have a Printify account, you'll need to create one as well. Just visit the Printify website, click on Get Started, and follow the prompts to set up your account. Once you're logged into Printify, look for the Account section. You'll typically find this in the upper right corner. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Billing, which will take you to a page where you can manage your payment methods. Now here comes the crucial part. On the billing page, look for an option to add a new payment method. You might see PayPal or credit card options initially. What you want to do is find the area marked Add Payment Method or something similar. Here you should see an option to select Payoneer. Click on that Payoneer option. Printify will redirect you to Payoneer's login page. If you're already logged into your Payoneer account, you may just need to authorize Printify to access your account information. If you're not logged in yet, enter your total Konoshosai to proceed. After logging in, Payoneer will ask for your permission to connect with Printify. This is a security measure to ensure that only you are allowing access to your financial information. It's crucial to review the permissions and make sure you're comfortable with what information Printify will be accessing. When you're ready, go ahead and authorize the connection. You should be redirected back to Printify, which will confirm that your Payoneer account has been successfully linked. Take a moment to double-check that everything looks good and make sure that your payment method is set as the primary option for your transactions. Now, before you go ahead and start fulfilling your orders, it's a good idea to test the process a bit. Try placing a small order on your Printify store to ensure that the payment gets processed smoothly through Payoneer. This way, you can verify that everything is functioning as expected. Remember, connecting your Payoneer account to Printify not only simplifies the payment process, but also allows you to manage your earnings more effectively, especially if you're dealing with international sales. And that's it! You've successfully connected your Payoneer account to Printify. Now you're all set to continue building your print-on-demand business without any hassle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks and leave a thumbs up. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see